work in future also. So, but we must take that statements or that real world statement. Okay.
Okay, you're trying very good, but others, as the initiator, you've been well. But what about others? Are they looking at their needs, or are they looking at each other, or are you keeping light on them? This all matters. Then is that a discussion now? Just can you mute for a while, the camera and audio? Come on.
Good morning, everyone. We are from CSE-D, and we are going to do a group discussion on every problem is an opportunity for an innovation. So, in our daily life, we see many problems over here. Like it might be it might be in our academics or our in hospitals. In real life, we may see many problems in different places. So I feel that whenever we see a problem, as we are the developers, we are the future developers, we have to solve that problem in an optimized manner, so that which takes an innovation as a very crucial role. Innovation means like we have to create something new, so that we can maintain our novelty in that, and also we can get what are the what are the optimal solutions we can get in many ways. In that manner, we can use many technologies or our whatever the components with us resources effectively.
Yeah, I believe every problem is an opportunity to face new challenges in our daily life.
You mentioned that innovation is creating something. Invention is creating something. Innovation is developing. Okay.
I believe every problem is an opportunity to improve ourselves. Instead of complaining about it, we should solve the problem, as well as we should innovate our ideas by creating new things, so that we can learn from that and we can solve our problems very easily.
Yeah, you are right. When the people faces problems, they try to think and create new things to solve the problem. It is taken as a best opportunity to get innovative.
Innovation not only comes from the answer solving the existing, non-existing problem, but the innovation also comes from the solving the existing problem and creating a new problem.
And
Are you speaking the names or are you discussing? Discuss. Next.
First, we have to understand the real world problems seen on real And we can take in a daily life example, a real world example. Like our campus was facing a problem, whereas we cannot able to see where the classrooms were empty. So we used to call some other, and we used to roam for so much time to find out where we have the empty classrooms. So as we are CSE students, we can invent something like a protocol where we can identify. So that is the problem where we can create our new innovation.
So yes, we want to firstly create a prototype, then we can implement easily. Mainly focus on the problem first, then understand that problem, and we can work on it.
And I believe that difference between a problem and an opportunity is perspective. One person sees the difficulty and another person tries to solve that. That's where the real innovation starts.
Every problem create a chance to improve existing system. Innovation begins when people observe the problem solving, think creatively.
When we are trying to solve the problem, we apply our technical skills, whatever the skills we have, efforts, we put it thoroughly. So that at the end of the time, we get the prototype on the table. Like it should be very optimal, which helps less, I mean, which helps less discussion between other companies will not be there between the persons while we are giving it to the real world and last users, client main users. Every problem is an opportunity for an innovation.
Okay. So as content deliverers, you did well, but that is not enough for the discussion. When one speaks about something, you need to connect with them. Yes, Harshita, whatever you said is exactly true. Even I'm on the same line in telling that, like that you need to connect. That connectiveness is not there. You just share what is your opinion. Discussion is not just an opinion sharing, right? We need to continue, connect, and there should be many dynamics. Group dynamics must be there. You need to exercise. Okay, in the next turn you need to do. Prepare the same topics, come again. Okay. Come on. Switch it off and play this. I should have
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to discuss about the group discussion.
discuss about the group discussion now. What do you discuss about the group discussion? That's not
Yes,
how
sir.
to start.
Okay, ma'am.
So we start with the topic directly. Come on.
Okay, ma'am. The topic is every problem is an opportunity for innovation. Nowadays, so many people are faced so many problems. The every problem become a solution. That solution become a innovative.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Every problem is we can face problems in our daily life, like we need to search for our classrooms. If you new to our college, if you are new to your college, then you have to you can face new problems, like you have to search your classes. For every small problem, we have to think about how to solve problem without any complaint. Then our real innovation comes. By the innovation, we can develop new. By this innovation, we can develop new things. What is it?
Yeah, instead of complaining about the problem, we have to think how can we solve this, and also we have to apply latest technology like AI, IoT, and all, so it can help further making it better. As well. We have to think creative, and we have to put it into the
Can
work.
you use the microphone properly?
So we have to so we have to think about the problem, and we have to implement the latest technology to our project. So it will be very useful. And also, instead of treating it as a complaint, we have to think differently how to solve this. So instead of complaining, so it will help further.
Yeah, innovation is everyday problem solution that gives time effective. Innovation makes the better solution.
Can you speak properly using microphone? Keep the microphone near your mouth like this. Yeah.
Innovation is a everyday problem solution that gives less time to useful the for students.
Do you understand the meaning of the topic? Every problem is an opportunity for an innovation. Innovation means what? Development. Where are you talking? You can speak actually, you can speak with your heart too. Meaning is known, right? If the problem comes, then only we'll understand its actual thing. Then we may try to work more on that, and we may try to know more on some concept. Then only we will start developing it, and the innovation definitely comes with the problem. Yes? Start discussing with an example.
The process of innovation includes identify the problem, understand real one.
Can you speak louder? Keep the microphone near your mouth.
Identify the problem, understand real one, think to creatively, design the solution.
Can you take this microphone? It's not at all audible. Listen properly.
The process of innovation includes identify the problem, their wants, understand and difficulty, think creatively to solve your problems, and design the solution
Are
use.
you reciting or speaking? No, I'm asking. Be serious in the discussion. Look at everybody. Look at your teammates. Discuss something. Come on.
I want to add some more points about this topic. If we are getting a problem to solve, we can use AI tools. If we are giving our problem statement to AI tools, it can give some better solutions for our problem. We can use the AI tools in that way also.
Every AI tool is not become a best solution, but we can think lot to become a best innovation to solve a problem.
Prepare and come back. This is not an effective discussion. Prepare and come back. What is exactly needed for the discussion? A clear content is required. You share your idea clearly. What's the problem? In our real
Good morning, everyone. Today, our group discussion topic is artificial intelligence, job creator or destroyer. Nowadays, AI is transforming industries across the world. And let us discuss whether it will create more job opportunities or it will replace humans.
Yeah, first I will speak on the job destroyer side by the AI. So most of the jobs that are replaced by the AI are data entry jobs because the AI will automatically organize the data and it will operate the data. So those people who are working in this domain will be fired. And also the most of the domain is graphic designing. It is also the major one because uh, so many people wanted to give good designing for websites. So this may take a time, but the AI will give the accurate, impressive, professional design to the websites or designing any logos, etc. So the AI will shows a greater impact on these kind of domains. What will you say?
Yes, I accept your point, but it also helps in creating jobs, right? Because who knows, who has quite knowledge on AI will have more jobs opportunities to them. So learning AI will help them to gain jobs. What is your opinion, Hama?
Actually, I will agree with you some extent, but AI cannot replace humans completely because AI cannot think as humans, right? That we have so much creativity and we have emotions. So I think that. Do you think? Do you want to say anything, Rakesh?
I will agree with your point. AI cannot completely assist humans. There are such things like emotions, leadership, decision making. These are very important. AI cannot assist humans. Finally, humans can make decisions.
I think education has major role here because students should not learn theoretical concepts. They should have develop practical skills and learn some uh, various skills about AIs.
Speak louder, speak louder. Your voice is not audible. Use it properly, it will catch your voice.
AI graphic is most members is losing their jobs because of AI. AI is giving efficient efficient work for the customers or for the interface for the app.
Yes, I agree with your point, but the AI can replace the repetitive tasks and it will give the efficient product. But when we using the AI, it is not secure. It gives not security for the websites or the apps that we are using for that. So i- when the growth in AI leads to growth in cyber security professionals also. Yeah.
So Sanjay, you are saying that during the AI era, only cybersecurity people will survive.
Not only cybersecurity, what my point is, cybersecurity professionals also have that growth in the future. And once upon time, before the wheels invented, bullock carts were the only means of transport. But once the revolution started, many jobs are created. Likewise, when the new revolution comes, new more jobs will be created, like AI. And
Can you say that how the student should prepare to avoid this kind of problems?
I think students should learn more than theoretical. They have to practice. They have more practical knowledge than theoretical, and they should adapt to the new AI technology.
Then they have to go in line with AI, collaborating with AI.
Yes, I accept with your point because even the in companies, if they senior most employees want to learn AI, but they don't have much time to prepare, so AI is replacing their jobs. So the before doing this, the students should more focus on this.
Yeah, I want to share an example that how AI is simply replacing job. I am watching the Instagram where I'm scrolling the reels. Most of the videos are content creator videos. So in previous days, the content creators speak through in front of the camera and they wanted to develop the communication, so they speak in English to express their content. But nowadays, due to the AI voice integration, they are using the AI voice and animation videos to display their content. This is a type of one type of lacking their practical skills.
Yes, I agree with your point. Actually, this makes the difference between the ones who have skills and the ones who don't. So for this, about this, I want to say one thing: companies and government should make and should create more opportunities and training programs to the students uh, and the ones who wants to learn the new things. Do you agree with my point?
Yeah, the government should conduct the level.
Discussion.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you want to share anything, Dilip? Go back.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello. Start the discussion. Your topic. Do you have a different topic? What is that? Nana, change, edit the topic. Don't mute the camera and audio. Srinivas, delete it. Look. Every problem is an opportunity for learning future innovation. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead with your discussion here.
Good morning, everyone. We are a sub team of 1 and 3 from team 1.
So today I would like to share my views on the topic. Every problem is an opportunity for innovation. So problem often inspire us to create something innovatively and to create better solution. So many inventions were created because people faced difficulties. So for example, navigation apps were created because of the traffic problems, and for the faster communication, we invented smartphones, right? So instead of seeing them as an obstacles, we should treat them as an opportunities or chances to create something useful or to create innovatively. What is your opinion?
Yes, yeah, you think we can also solve the problems in a innovative, and we can design in a real world problem. When we design, when coming to the, we have to solve the according to the people needs and actual practically, which is user friendly for the people who are using. So for designing this problem, we have to first understand the what. Understand the problem, and then identify and generates the ideas and comment the current solution for it, and also prepare a prototype and develop. After develop, we have to test and give the feedback. Based on the feedback, we can improve the solution. So develop the problem in the real world. As we taken as our college, we can have the set available classrooms. We can also identify the certain problem and understand, generates the different ideas and develop the solutions where the classroom, and develop in some app where it is available or not, and test for some users or some students. When it is the success, then we can take the feedback and also we develop the different solution for it. So what you think, Ravi?
Ankita, as you said, for this problem, we can develop an app for classrooms. We can view in the app so we can easily solve the problem in a creative way.
Yes, I agree with your point. Already we have that attendance tracker that some app we will have, and that app we should be having that where the classes are there and where the it will tracks our attendance day by day and our progress status. It will shows that.
From this, I can conclude that we should not see the problems as an obstacle. We should create something based on those problems. Thank you.